Nice, Jermaine!
Mercia from St. Mary.
Eugene! Go, Kuya Dog! Mula!
Okay!
Nice one!
Nice!
Oh,
Nice! Nice try.
Nice try, Kurt! Nice try, Dong!
Number 1 with the ball. Pass to Robles, 18 for the 3, no good. Rebound by number 1.
Oh!
Mark.
Okay!
Ryan, 2 points for Morales, number 27. Number 1 with the ball. Hasman for 3, no good. Rebound. Jedrick pass to
Yes, Jermaine.
2 points for number 33. Jermaine.
Nice.
Boyan with the ball, pass to Robles.
Eugene!
Still no good from the Grizzlies.
Mula, Kurt! Ay!
John Hill with the ball.
Nice one!
Passes back to John Hill.
Nice rebound!
Jermaine for 3. 2 points for Mark.
Yan, gusto mo. Trace dong! Hula! Ay! Nice! Ay!
Ganado ah.
Ganado ka ka.
Ten on the clock. 7. Steal.
Out! Nice! Ay! Kamot niya.
Madalas na. Robles.
Ay!
No good.
Dalawa! Ay!
Passes to younger brother.
Yes.
For an easy 2 points for Jermaine, 23. 12-0, this is school.
Wala, dumating si Aldrin. Patay na kayo.
Number 1 for the Pride, still no good.
So pala kulang.
Rebound.
Okay!
For the Pride.
Wow!
Points once again.
Mga pa-picture.
For number 27. Warning for timeout, Grizzlies.
Nice!
2
one
points for Boyan. Boyan, no. 99.
Yes!
Yes!
Ay!
No good. Boyan in the ball. The Robles jumps. 2 points for Robles.
Mula!
Joven. Jedrick.
Yes.
Kurt.
Yes.
For the 3.
Yeah!
Wait for the net. Para Grizzlies and Grizzlies. Please.
Ha? Wala.
Grizzlies ball.
Wala. Sila. Ay, ito. Para sila. Sakuan na lang sad na. Ibutang mo lang na sa ubos.
Joven for the 3. No good. Rebound by Tadeo.
Sumalok dito. Ay!
Too strong. Turnover.
Fix ng mong ganuwi at master to laban sa PNC. Walang pinanalo ang mong ganuwi at master to.
Number 1. No.
Pero tayo na lang.
Man.
Wala.
Shoot! No.
Wala sila na buo.
Last minute. Boye, shoot! 2 points for 99.
Saka sila isa. Akala ko naman,
Jeffrey with the ball.
Wala.
Passes to
Ay!
Jamil.
Jermaine!
To Jermaine. No good.
Ay, ay, ay!
Sa atin.
Yes!
Jeffrey for 3.
Ay!
Aldrin. Drives, passes, Boye. Using the board, 2 points.
Yes.
Third with the ball.
Walker!
Long.
Man with the ball. Goes in the middle. No good. Mark with the rebound. Passes to
Bakit
Jeffrey.
galing? Bakit hindi nasabi?
Jeffrey to Jamil, drives, jumps.
Yes!
2 points using the ball. Number 8.
Sabi ko nga, ay, di mo.
Aldrin for 3. No good. Rebound.
Ay! Ay! Okay lang yan. Kesa na mapunta pa.
Okay lang.
Richie's ball.
Susub-sub pa sa buo.
So, ngayon, sa bato kami tayo.
Aldrin handles, passes to Jamil, has jumps. No good. Jeffrey to the ball.
Para hindi tayo masyadong
Gabi!
Drives. 2
Yes!
points for Jeffrey.
Nice!
Number 24.
Nice!
Steal by Mark.
Come on! Yes!
Passes to Jeffrey.
Diba? Yes!
Uses the left hand. 2
Wow!
points
Libre, dito ka?
for Jeffrey.
Go, Daddy!
24.
Go, Daddy!
23 is the score in favor of the
Go,
Browns.
Daddy!
Aldrin for 3.
English
And
din.
St. Brendan.
Ano ba hindi agad? Hindi yan, tambak. Wala, wag dyan. Ay, dito kayo!
Easy to Kuya. 2
Yes.
points for Mark. Number 1.
Brianna, stay here. Stay here.
Batman with the ball. There's a jump block. With a foul.
This one.
Sino foul? Si 23. Si Jermaine. First shot.
Makahabol si Cristiano? Makahabol si Cristiano sa second game.
Second game. Kasi pumapas.
Second free throw.
Kasi ano. You wanna go outside?
Shot.
Ah,
Good. 25 seconds.
Iwan ko bag ko ha. Ay, nag-go sa
Third for 3. It's the Brendan.
Di pa ako nakapunta sa ganun. Hindi sila mapanood natin lagi. Every year yun eh. Pero okay din sabi mo.
Okay,
Paid ka na isang
Guys.
malalas na.
Batman with the drive. Converted. 2 points for number 1.
ah. Kaso
Nag-aaral ka
dapat
ng white.
nag-driver ka.
Nakatrain lang sila diba? Usually may train pass.
Jambil.
Yes!
For 3.
Ay, tumama. Go, Kurt!
Basta!
Ilang, Kurt? Ay! Ay, Kurt! Ay, Kurt! Naka... Wala. Ay, nawala. Nakala ko.
Sige.
Pasa na, pasa.
Down to 5.
Yes!
Man.
Yes,
Ay,
yes.
pa!
2 points for Mark. Number 1.
Nice, Mark.
Ano naman kasi?
Alam mo naman.
Batman in the middle. Looking for an entry. Jumps for 3. Easy. 3 points. Number 1. 27-15 in favor of St. Remy. 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
Yes! Nice one.
Good reverse from Shunville, number 8. Boyet, 2 points for number 99 years old.
No? Ay, Kurt! Nice!
Kurt! Ay! Ay! Baba!
The boy!
2
Grabe!
points
Lakas talaga ni Mark.
for number 1, Mark.
Wala pa namang talo ang business, di ba? Kaya parang ano,
Oo nga, di ba siya bearing din? Oo. Kahit chill lang. Hindi naman kailangan ano.
Good.
Japan.
Nice!
Ay, ay!
Naka-volleyball na po.
Balik ko lang
Boyet
kayo.
for possession, jumps. No goal, still. Jumps to the rebound. John Bill.
Oh, nice!
Jermaine, 2 points for number 23.
Go meow!
Yum, yum, yum.
45 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
No, don't hit the ball. No,
2 points. Time out, save remaining.
No. Not there. Not there, right? Not in
Okay.
the middle, okay? Not in the middle.
Yes, because we're at
Just here. Here's a lot. You
One?
want? 5 for 5.
Try mo na i-straight yung buhok mo dati.
Ha?
Na-straight mo na yung buhok.
Ah!
Ako na-ribbon ko na high school.
Tapos hindi mo na tinuloy.
Worst kung kay Justin.
Parang
Okay na yun. Oh, kalakon.
Gusto niyong laruin yun.
Yep. Time start. Joven with the ball, passes to Manman for 3, no good. Rebound, Jet Bates. Jermaine, 2 points for number 23. Aldridge. Third, Stevens jumps. No good. Mark with the rebound, passes to Jet Bates. Pass for 3 to Kurt.
Ay,
Tapos sumasabi dito.
Pero pag na-shoot, okay. Nagrihan na.
Okay.
Aldridge using the right.
Go, Kurt! Let's go,
Jet
go!
Bates. 2
Yeah!
points, losing the board.
Nagpapilan doon.
Naglalaro sa labas.
Ah, okay. Naku.
10 to shoot.
ano eh, parang kunwari nagsasunod. Tira ka mo.
Sakal niya daw.
Local pass.
Yes! Yes! Ay! Sayang. Okay lang. Maganda
Ball
sana.
in the ball.
Ganda ng laro
Goes in
niya.
middle, jumps. No good. Rebound.
Tagal mag-iwan.
Aldridge accepts. Using the ball, 2 points for Aldridge.
Wala na.
4.
Bearing na.
Kaya. Yes!
Kurt for 3. Rebound by Mark. Using the ball, 2 points
Nice,
for
Mark.
Mark. Number 1.
Oo. Yun sabi ko eh. Mga bata. Ako pagkatapos may isa pa din. Happy yan. Ang original talaga nawala.
Still no good from Aldridge. Aldridge drives in the middle. 2 points for Aldridge.
Patay ka.
Ay!
Kurt,
Nice! Ay, nice!
overall. Grizzlies ball.
No more. No more.
Boyet, no good. Own rebound. Jumps again. Still no good. Champion with the rebound.
Go,
Drive.
Dubs!
Middle.
Yes!
Goes. Foul. Mr.
Galbo.
99 years old. Asan na yung anak?
Parang, parang. Nice.
No good. Free throw. Boyd, Boyd, score number 99.
Yes! Ay, sayang.
Aldrin using the left, converted. Aldrin before. 41-27
Moment.
in favor of St. Brendan. 10 to
Yes!
3.
Ay! Nice!
Draws a foul. Post forward has made. Number 9 has. Yeah. Thank you. First shot good. Second shot for John Bills.
Arrange your life, dogs.
Sure that.
Good. 2 free
Nice.
throws. Converted. Joven drives. Double. Man to Aldrin for 3. Converted. 3 points for number 24. Number 24, Jeff Bates. Passes.
Yes!
Third.
Ay! Konti na lang.
3-point foul. There's a goal. Foul, Jermaine. Second personal foul for Jermaine. No good.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Aldrin with the ball. To Man to Aldrin back. 2 points for Aldrin.
Wait, Ari gave it to her. She was playing with it first.
Number 24, Jedricks. Pass to Jermaine, number 23. To big partner, number 1.
Yes!
Goes in the middle.
Grabe. Grabe talaga si
2
Mark.
points for Mark.
Si Mark tahimik lang.
No good from Aldrin. College overs. 2 points for 99.
Hi, Mark.
Yes.
Go, B. Basta Mars.
Traveling violation. 27.
Ay, si Ninang, oh. Say hi to Ninang.
Yeah. 45-34. 3 from Jamel, no good. Okay, St. Randy's ball.
Yes.
Kurt
Yes.
jumps.
Let's
2
go.
points for Kurt.
Kurt Vincent.
27.
Vincent pala siya, no? Saan yung 10? May ano?
Kasi
Gusto mo
John,
lang.
Vincent yan eh.
Number 99, double team.
John.
Pass to number 18 to number 20. 2 points for number 24, Ali.
Hindi na kinakain. Vincent. Kaya eh. Kaya hindi ko na lang inano. Chinayin. Bahala ka.
Number 9, with the ball.
Sabi niya Vincent. Nainis na ako.
Go, Kurt. Yes!
2
Grabe
points.
yun. Kondisyon na.
49-37. 4 minutes in play. No good. Rebound. St. Mary's.
Meron.
Support.
Yes! Ay! 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 Lakalak. Naupuan. Naupuan. Hala! Grabe yun! Ayan! Ganda sana.
Ang ganda naman.
Nakalakas yun ako.
Steal by St. Mary's. Right in the middle. Also foul.
Upuan
Foul
din.
on number 1. Man.
Ang komportable upuan nun ah.
Pinaupo mo lang, Jeff?
2 free throws for Mark Mark.
Nakakagulat parang baril.
Your shot. Good.
Go, Mark.
Second free throw.
Nice.
Good again for number 1, Mark Mark. 51-37. 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
Yay!
And to shoot. Hasmin. No good. Rebound by Mark. Jamil. To Jermaine. To Kurt. Kurt. Recovered. Jamil. Jamil to Jermaine.
Nice!
Assist.
Nice rotation, ah.
Nice assist from St. Mary's. Grizzlies win the ball. Number 99 goes to his usual drive. Did not convert.
Ay! Ay! Grabe! Grabe! Grabe!
From the Junkies. Okay, John Bill with the ball. Number 9.
Go, Dobbs!
Middle. Pass.
Go, Jermaine!
2 points for the Junkies.
Go, Kyra! Hindi, go, meow! Go, meow,
Keep it
meow!
up, young man. No good from the 99-year-old.
99-year-old.
Yes! For 3. No good.
Konti pa.
Sudan for the rebound to Boye. Boye to Aldrin. Shoots. 3 points. Timeout, St. Remy.
Yes.
Ay! Sabay ganun, no?
2 points. Jeffrey. 24. Aldrin for 3. No good. Hasmin rebounds. Goes for Aldrin. Aldrin in the middle. 2 points for Aldrin. 24. Now Jeffrey 34 with the ball. Slows down. 80 seconds remaining. The shot clock 16 in out. On the beat. 10 to shoot.
Nice!
Points for Mark, number 1. And that
Play with that. Ano eh? Ay, wag ko. Yes! Ala. Ayan ah.
Ayan na.
Grizzlies ball. Two points. Boy, 99. Out of bounds, long pass. Grizzlies ball.
Ay, God.
Si Ari, wala naman siyang allergies.
Laki. Si Ari, wala. Wala ka! Sayang!
Sana, dinalit mo na.
Okay, Aldrin with the ball. Pass.
Wala ka!
Okay, no good. Jetrix with the rebound. Passes to Bird. Steal by Ashley.
Go, Lloyd!
No good, Brian. Mark with the rebound.
Rihanna! Ano ka ba dyan?
Rihanna, come here.
Jermaine! Jermaine with the three.
Go, meow!
Boyer.
Rihanna, come here.
Aldrin. 2 points for Aldrin.
Rihanna, come here.
Really? Here, not there.
The spider's there.
There's a spider, oh. Come on.
Come here na.
Come there. Balik.
Two points.
Wow! Gustong magpa-picture, oh.
Sure. Shot. Good.
Grabe yun, ah.
Highlight.
Eugene!
Lloyd. No good. Rebound. Jandil. Number 8. To Bird. From the corner. 3 points. Number 27.
Go, Vincent.
Vincent!
No, finally.
Asmin, no good. Jandil with the rebound.
Go, Vincent.
Heard with the ball. Pass in the middle. And drive.
Sayang wala yung camera woman, ah.
71-46 in favor of Sigmund. Man to Aldrin. Aldrin throws. No good. Rebound Asmin. Still no good. Boyer has the ball. Jumps. 2 points for number 99. A steal by Aldrin from inbound. Drives. Throws. 2 points. Aldrin. Score 71-50. Favor of St. Brendan. Jetrix with the ball. Dive goes in the middle. Jumps. 2 points for Marky Mark. Number 1.
Grabe, ah. Nice assist, ah.
Man with the ball.
Pagod na dyan. Ganun na si Jirvin na.
So Aldrin to Boyer. Boyer jumps. No good. Rebound. Jetrix 24. Passes. Jandil. Jandil on the right side.
Yes!
Passes. Then jumps. Bang. Miss. Nice attempt. Grizzlies ball.
Grabe,
Man in the ball. Drives, jumps. Converts. 2 points. Number 1. 73-52. Score.
Ay, excuse me, baby.
Nice.
Jermaine.
Parang inspired.
Number 23.
Inspired din, ah.
Aldrin. Nope. Rebound. Jetrix.
Parang masaya si Jermaine, ah.
Na-meet niyo na
Goes on the left.
Nakipag-usap. Siyempre, kung hindi pa ako gagawin.
Straight in the middle. Passes to Jermaine. Jermaine and half hands. No good. Man with the rebound. Drives to the left. And goes a foul from Jetrix. 24. First personal foul for Jetrix.
Get new hair? A Pringle hair? Green.
Man with the ball. Passes to Boyer. Boyer jumps. 2 points for the 9-year-old.
Yes!
Jumps. This is the three.
Go, Lloyd.
Lloyd with the ball. Boyer. Dribbles behind. Jumps. No good. Rebound. Marky Mark. Number 1. Passes to Jandil. Jandil drives. Bird turns around. Reposition. 14 on the shot clock. Passes to Jetrix. Jump.
Yes!
Miss. it to Boye. Boye on the board, 2 points. Boye.
Ibang break mo naman.
Kurt.
Yes!
Gardner jumps, passes to Jamil.
Yes!
Jamil drives. Recovered by Marky Mark. 2 points for number 1.
Yum, yum.
Man, 2 points for Man.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, nagpamagsitik. Ano siya? Yum, 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 yum.
Malambing.
Jedrick with the ball, goes on the right side.
Alabas yung
Jumps
chan
for
mo.
3. Drop converted. 3 points for number 24.
Nice!
Man with ball, looking for teammates, turns, drives. Turns to the middle, passes to the lane, and block.
Nice
By
block.
Aldrin.
Nice block!
Set, ready, ball.
Rihanna! Rihanna!
Uy!
Pupunta.
Ang lalap, hindi ka. Uy!
Man with the ball, passes.
Go, Lloyd!
Go,
Go, Eugene! Eugene San Jose!
number 4.
Eugene, San Jose.
Jedrick passes to Sunday.
Ay!
Loses the ball. Boyd with the ball. Drive. Uses the right. No good. Aldrin. Still no good. Converted the second time around. Aldrin, 24.
Can I do this one? Can I do this one for you?
Wala!
27.
This one for you?
Shoots.
Run!
No good. Aldrin with the rebound.
Ay!
Loses the ball. Recovered by Maman. Attempts. And napagbigyan. 3 points for number 1.
Ayun lang, sir. Gawin siya.
Number 24, Jedrick holding the ball.
Can you brush your hair?
Setting up the play.
Go, man!
8 in the shot clock.
Kasi na.
Yes!
For 3, no good. Has been in the rebound, Aldrin. Drive, passes, Boye. No good, Jamil.
Ana, lang,
Rebound.
bang! Wala!
Pass to Bird. Bird.
Go, Vincent!
Middle. No good.
Ganda sana, dong!
Sayang, nice try.
Aldrin.
Try, dong!
Dribbles, goes to the
Grabe,
side.
oh.
2 points.
Sana, all!
For
Grabe
Aldrin,
yun.
24. $81-66. Race the score.
Magandang laro, sarap din. Mamaya ka pa. Pagdating, nakapagod ako.
6 in the shot.
Yes! Ay! Nice pass. Ay, nice pass. Ay! Ano?
Kailan yan?
Nice try, man.
Manman.
Ay! Okay lang.
Foul on number 27, Bird.
Dahan-dahan lang. Pagod na isa.
Counted 2 points.
Hindi lang, fourth quarter na.
Extra free throw for
Isang quarter na lang, tapos na.
Pagod na.
Second team foul.
Nice one.
Converted free throw. 1 point for Manman.
Usap na lang ako.
Sab. Nice!
Yan, Lloyd!
Ay, grabe! Grabe!
Jedrick. Draws a foul.
Hindi pinapasok!
Number 4, Lloyd.
Lloyd!
Two
Ikaw,
shots.
Lloyd, ah.
Eugene, ha? Ayusin mo, Eugene.
Eugene.
Your turn. Welcome to the salon, madam.
ka. Salon.
First shot from Vernon.
Gusto niya? Gusto niya?
Second shot from Hendricks.
Come here.
Alam niya agad, dalanganin.
Kaya ako.
Wala!
Boyer to the ball, jumps. 2 points for Boyer.
Oh, the night.
Yandel to Jermaine. Jermaine for 3. No good. Rebound.
They're doing the most.
Lalim.
Dito! Ayan!
Traveling violation.
Seconds to play!
Aldrin for 3. No good. Rebound. Asmin jumps. 2 points for Asmin.
Time na, time.
27 on the clock.
Third quarter yun, di ba?
13 in the shot clock.
Yes!
27 for 3. No good.
Kulang pa.
Tao, tao!
Yes!
3 again.
Sayang.
Still no good.
Ayaw.
4, 3, 2,
Pwede pa yan.
1.
Sayang oh. May gitna lang yun.
That ends our third quarter. Score 82-73 in favor of St. Annie.
Sariling buhay. Ang hirap ng talian yan. Parang magdali-dali. Eh, hindi naman natin dati, diba? Kaya hindi na lahat.
Paging Nicole. Paging Nicole, come here lang. And that starts our official fourth quarter.
Hindi, oh.
Laka.
Lakas
Grabe.
talaga ni Aldrin.
Grabe rebound.
Joey, no good.
Ha?
Who's calling? Asmin.
Nice.
Foul coming. Number 24, foul. Aldrin with a foul.
54.
24, foul. Number 24. Si Aldrin ang foul. Converted by Hendricks, 2 points. Free
Go,
throw.
Rick! Yes! Ay!
No good. Man in the rebound. Boyer. No good. Rebound by Hendricks. I will pass to Mark. Mark to Hendricks. Third. Passes to third.
Go, Kurt! Kurt Vincent.
4 on the clock. 4 on the clock.
Ay! Sayang yun, Ahmed.
Two points.
Napaganda pa.
Man.
Nice
No good.
rebound!
Rebound, Jandel.
Nice rebound,
Go,
Dog!
Dobbs!
Ay! Ay! Justin Vincent!
Yes! I blocked
Jandel,
it!
block. Good. Who's calling it? Grizzlies. Boyer.
Ganda naman!
2 points for Boyer. Hurd.
Yes!
Jumps for 3. No good. Recovers.
Lalim.
Passes to Jandel. Jandel turns. Reverse.
Ay, wow!
Reverse.
Wow! Grabe. Grabe yun.
Alvin with the ball. 12 to shoot. Passes to Manman. Manman to Hasmi.
Seconds.
3-second violation. Gendricks with the ball, drives, passes, Hasmi with the rebound. Passes to Manman. Manman turns, goes in the middle. No good. Mark with the rebound. Passes to Kurt. Kurt draws a foul. Hasmi, number 9, foul.
Rihanna.
2 free throws. Sorry, side throw.
Dalawang pa yung supply.
Jeremy for 3, no good.
Ay, kuya.
Aldridge, drive, dribbles,
Nice pass.
Manman for 2 points.
Nice pass.
Jandil,
Grabe,
drive,
oh. Sayang.
strong, Aldridge with the rebound.
Ganda sana.
That's in the middle, draws a foul, no shot.
Ika lang.
Foul on Jermaine, 23. Third personal foul on Nana. Converted, 1 point for Aldridge.
Bakit? Umuiwan.
88-78, 10 na lang po ang lamang ng St. Remy. 10 on the clock. Jandel reverse, 2 points for Jandel. Number 9. Manman with the ball. Passes to Joven. Gets back to Manman with 10 seconds on the clock. Passes to Aldridge, Aldridge for 3. Good. Rebound by Joven. Foul and number 24, Aldridge. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Ikot-ikot, parang halo-halo. Second shot. Converted. 1 point for the youngest. Right. Man with the ball. Passes to the half-court line.
Why, baby? Come here.
Sets up. Boye. Drives. Trying to squeeze in. Back pass to Aldridge. Man with 10 on the clock. Back to Aldridge. Aldridge for 3. Come on. Rebound. There's a foul for Manman, number 1. Foul. Second personal foul. One team foul. 2 points for Jordan. Warning for timeout along these leagues. Jandel with the ball. Crosses the line, passes to Gendricks. Boye with the ball. 2 points for Boye, number 99.
Huwag ganun dong! Huwag ganun dong!
Jermaine to Gendricks.
Papa!
12 on the clock. Marky Mark, shot. No good.
Nice!
Converted.
Si Dubs.
Dami ng video na sa nila.
Asmin, jumps. No good, rebound. Jeffrey.
Baba.
95-80. Jump hill. Oops. Foul. Foul on Jeffrey. Timeout, Grizzlies.
Hindi na lang.
Hawak-hawak siya.
Second personal foul for Jeffrey.
Sige, tropa ba? May tropa. May ano. May pagano'n na yun. Ngayon tayo, already by
2 points Jeffrey. 3 points. 3 points, one man.
Stepping, stepping.
2 points up, 2 points.
Ay!
Sayang.
One man to go.
Ganda sana nun.
Down by Jeffrey. To Kuya. To Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Sino pa?
Sayang.
24. Aldrin.
Bigatin ka na lang din.
Third personal foul po ni Aldrin. Penalty na po ang Grizzlies.
Kaya ka na lang din. Nice one, Dom.
First shot.
Go, Kurt.
On Gordon. 1 point for Kurt. 97. Second attempt.
Meow, meow, meow.
Yes.
Where's mother?
Perfect shot. 1 point again for
I
Kurt.
don't know. Where's your mother?
Aldrin with the ball. Tuloy lang.
Did you find Ari? Upstairs, maybe?
Alley-oop. No. Acuña with the rebound. Jeffrey with the rebound.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Ari's there. Are you okay?
Malapit na. 40 na lang. 1 minute na lang.
10 on the clock.
Meron pa. After nito, may isa pa. Tapos,
Basan.
isa ka dito.
Ayan. Parang pinatag.
Good job eh.
Good play. So, your mother's working.
Nice.
Good.
Wellington.
Job eh. Number 18.
Nice here, baby.
12 on the clock. Jennings jumps. No good. Rebound by 1 man.
Ayan.
Steal. Jennings with the ball.
Minutes na lang.
Passes to Jermaine. Jermaine throws. Job with the lead. Long pass. Out of bounds. Remy ball. Ninety-seven, 84.
Oras.
45 seconds. 8 on the shot clock.
Yes.
Janville jumps.
Grabe.
2 points for Janville. Acuña.
Bishop, late lang siya bilas.
Boye. 2 points for Boye. Papahabol naman. Jeffrey with the ball. Killing the dime. 30 seconds on the main clock. 17 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock.
Yes. Ay! Sayang.
Next one, Ben.
12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.